Hello, memoQ. Hello, memoQ. In this video, I will show you how to remove duplicates from a memoQ term base, and also how to export a memoQ term base into an Excel file. Here is how. First, how to remove duplicates from a memoQ term base. Here is the term bases list. Right click on the Mint term base, then edit opens a term base editor. One click here, show duplicates, click on it, choose your relevant options from here and leave this as is. Okay, the editor converts into this view. It is just a view. Then you click on merge selection here, this icon, merge selection. Actually, it will not merge the duplicates. It will remove duplicates. As a matter of fact, merge. This prompt is saying, are you sure you want to commit all entries? Yes. As you can see, duplicates are removed. When I click here, back to normal edit mode. This prompt is not so much of intuitiveness. It's saying, if you return to normal mode, the changes you haven't committed will be discarded. The way I see it, it shall be aware, memoQ shall be aware that I have committed the changes. There is no uncommitted changes here. So, because I am sure my changes are committed, just when I clicked yes in the last prompt for this prompt, so I will click on OK. Close the editor from here, the term base editor. Here is the next piece of advice or the next piece of information, how to export a memoQ term base into an Excel file. Right click, right click, right click on the Mint term base, then export terminology. Select this option, export as an Excel, XLSX. Choose destination from here. Right, one click here to choose your destination, then export. This prompt is saying there is already an Excel with the same name. Do you wish to replace it? Yes. Exporting. Moving to the destination folder to open the Excel. As you can see, no duplicates here. How about that? Useful? I wish it was useful.